This particular app store is the best place to publish your gaming app. All right. So if you've built a gaming app, there's an app that you'd want, you've built a game app and you want to publish it in an app store that is mainly known for games to get a lot of downloads, this is the best app store for you. And the reason why I'm saying this is the best app store for you is because this app store is one of the app stores that I myself normally like to use. And the reason is because on this app store, you don't even have to even share your app. I've really not really shared my apps that I publish from here. I don't really share the app link to this particular app store, but yes, still it gets downloads. I really, let me not even say really, I don't copy the link to this app store and share it to people, but yes, still I get downloads from here. And the second reason why this app store is actually very good is that they basically accept any app. I mean, as long as your app isn't showing how to kill a person, they would accept this app. All right. Yes. They would accept any app, whether it is 18 plus content, not safe for work app, whatever it is, they would accept it. All right. Yes. So I've already created a video on how you can create an account here. All right, but then in this particular video I'm going to show you how you can publish a gaming app over here to actually get the maximum best results, to get the best results. All right, so first thing you do is that you create a new project. Okay, you create a new project. So in your new project, you come over here to the title. So now in the title, what here is the first thing that you need to know. Your app is only going to trend on this store if the details that you input over here have something that is already related to a popular app. All right, so let me show you something. So the app that I'm going to be publishing is called Game Hive. All right, it's called Game Hive. Okay, so for the Game Hive, I'm going to say 69. Okay, I'm going to put 69 plus games in one app. All right. So now when you're done with that, over here, they'll give you a short description or tagline to input. All right. So what you have to do is that every single thing, even if it's optional, you have to put it over there. All right. So I'm just going to copy the short description from here. All right. I'm just going to copy the short description from here. You can use AI, yes, definitely it's allowed, and paste it here. All right. So after you're done with that, what game are you publishing? If it's a mod game, fine, whichever game it is. But then I'm just publishing a normal game. All right, yeah. And then if it's downloadable or whichever way it is, yeah, I'm going to publish that one to downloadable. So I've already explained. I've already explained all of these things. Okay, I've already explained all of these things. So I'm just going to run through them. All right. Yes. If you really want to understand every single thing that is here, you can look for my tutorial on how to publish your app on h.io. All right. So you upload the APK file of your app. Okay. You upload the APK file of your app. Now, the secret to publishing your game here. Okay. The secret to publishing your game here and getting high downloads is in the description. Okay, it's in the description and the tags, the description, the tags, the genre. All right, because these are the things that people will search for. All right, it doesn't matter whether your app is good or it's not good. Right now we are looking at downloads. All right, now it is your duty as the developer to make sure that your app is good, so that when you get downloads, the people would actually retain your app. You retain users. All right, because you can get a lot of downloads, but then the people who download your app, open the app, see that this is not actually an interesting app, it's not an interesting game, and delete the app. All right, so that one is your duty as your developer to fulfill. All right, yes. So what I'm helping you with is how to actually get downloads. All right, you have a good thing. It's one thing to create a good product, and it's one thing to make your good product seen. All right, so I'm helping you to get your app seen and get downloads. All right, so you wait for the APK to finish downloading, to finish uploading, and then when it's done uploading, I would show you the secrets to all these in order to get a lot of downloads. All right, so the APK is done uploading. All right, so now off to this. So now what you have to do here is you have to write your description in a way that you can input things that are already popular inside. When you have to make it more. All right, yes. So in order for it not to be much work for you, we can go over to AI. All right, and then I'm going to tell it write the description such that the names of popular games such as Minecraft. If you have an app, okay, let's say your game is somehow similar to a certain popular game too. Okay, it's similar to a certain popular game. You can also use that game in your description, and you have to use it in a way that it will be cutting across your description. Yes, because that is what a lot of people will be searching for. Okay, that is what a lot of people will be searching for. So now when a lot of people are searching for that, and that thing is also in your, let me say, SEO. Okay, it's in your SEO, your app will also appear when people search for it. And when your app appears when people search for it, 40% to 60% of the time you would have a lot of people to also downloading your app. All right, and since this is a gaming app store, you wouldn't have an issue with that. So such that certain popular games such as Minecraft, Subway Surfers, Temple Run, anime games appear true for good SEO in the App Store. I'm publishing it on itch.io. All right. So yes, you don't have to even rack your head much. Okay, you don't have to even rack your head much. ChatGPT will do everything beautifully for you in a way that it won't violate any policy, and you still achieve your goal. All right. Yeah. So what I'm just going to do now is I'm just going to copy this description. Okay, I'm just going to copy this description. All right. So I'm going to copy this description, and then I'm going to now paste it here. Okay. So now for the tags, so for the January, you can, this one you just leave it according to how your game is. You just leave it according to how your game is. So if your game is a shooter game, you leave it that way. If your game is fighting, card game, whichever one it is, you leave it that way. But I strongly recommend that you don't leave it on no January. At least select something even if it is not true. At least, all right, at least select something even if it is not true. All right, so now we come over to the tags. Now use popular tags. Use popular tags. So first thing you have to do is that all of these tags that you are seeing here, okay, all of these first tags that you are seeing here, you have to use them. All right, you have to use them. Okay, you have to use them, the ones that are similar to your app. You can use the first, like, you can make the first 5 the ones that are similar to your app. Okay, and then the last 5 will be your own tags that you actually choose. But I would like to use every single thing that is here. Okay, I would like to use every single thing that is here in the app. All right, yeah. So this part is also very rich. Okay, this part is also very necessary if you would really want to get a lot of downloads. All right. Sometimes people may be searching for something else, and that's something else that they search for. Your app may show there, and your app may not be related to what they are searching for. But because your app is a good app, when they download it and they see and they actually enjoy it, you've retained a user. All right. So it is also very necessary. Okay. Yes, a lot of people don't know this, and I've been using this App Store for a very long time. All right, I've been using this App Store for a very long time. So yeah, so I know what works. Okay, I know what works. All right, so I'm going to make this game high. All right, yeah, I'm going to make this game high. Now download and instructions. I mean, just download the game, install, and start playing. Now trust me, if you've built a good game, all right, so you just make it public. So for the first update, for the first time you are going to save the app, just make it as draft. All right. Yes. So now you just come over here and then you upload the screenshots for your app. All right. You upload the screenshots for your app over here. Okay. Yes. So that's basically it. Trust me, you would do this and the downloads that you are going to get would blow your mind. All right. This particular app store is free. You won't pay a single dime, and it is very rewarding. Trust me, it is very rewarding. All right. Yes, it is very rewarding. Okay. So that's basically it. You wait for the images to finish uploading, and when that's done, we save. All right. So now that's done. We now go and save and view the page. Okay. So the tags are too many. All right. So I have to just remove one. The maximum number of tags are 10. Yeah. So now we have saved the page. So it will now take us to our app page. All right. So this is the page for our app. Okay. So when someone on the h.io store comes here, this is what they are going to see. Okay. This is what they are going to see. So if you want to share the app to someone, you just have to copy this link and then send it over to the person. All right. So now, right now, the app is currently showing on the store as a draft. Okay. Okay. So I'm just going to come back here, refresh the page, and then make it public, then save. So that's basically it. So now the app is public. So now when we go over into our dashboard, we will see the app over here as published. So now all you have to do is you just have to wait and see how what you just did right now is going to come back and reward you with a lot of downloads. Like I said, it is your responsibility to make sure that you build a very good app, okay, so that when the downloads actually come, you actually get a retained users. All right, retained users simply means that the people that download your app will actually keep your app and then consistently be using it, unlike the situations where someone will just download your app and then delete it instantly. So this is just an overview of the start of my statistics on this particular site in the last, I think, 28 days. In the last 28 days, I've had 18 more followers. Okay, 976 downloads. That's almost 1K, and 3,000 views. All right. Now the reason why the views is way more than the downloads is simply because with the way I took my time to publish this particular app, I didn't do that for most of these apps over here. All right, I didn't do that for most of these apps over here. And some of the apps that I did that for that had a lot of downloads, I have deleted them. I've deleted some of my apps from this particular store. But then trust me, just do what I've taught you right now, and you would see the benefit of downloads you are going to get from it. All right. Yeah, so that's basically it. So please, thank you for staying throughout this entire video. It has helped me as much as it has also helped you. Okay, and this is what I love to do for people. I love to give out content that would actually benefit them. All right, I like to give out content that will actually benefit them. So do well to subscribe to my channel to continue to benefit from me like this, as I also continue to benefit from you. Okay, yes, please do well to subscribe to my channel. Like this video if you really enjoyed it. Okay, like this video if you really, if you really enjoyed it and it has been helpful to you. Okay, you've learned something new, definitely, because no one has ever spoken about this before. I don't think I have ever heard anyone speak about this before. So like this video, encourage me to do more stuffs like this, because there are a lot I can share, especially to the app developers, to help them get a successful app. All right, let me hear from you in the comment section. If you have any issue, you can write me through my WhatsApp. The link to my WhatsApp is in the description. You can also write me in the comment section. All right, you can also write me in the comment section, and I would be looking forward to seeing you in my next video as my subscriber. Thank you and shalom. Bye bye.